Hey everybody, Ron here again. I want to show you our shipping crate chicken coop that I built. Just got it finished up. It was two 4x4 by 2 foot deep shipping crates. They had tractor parts in them. Bought them from a local farm. I think it was $20 a piece. Bought some one sheet of plywood, some 2x4s and 1x4s to do the decorative work there, and this is what we ended up with. So let's take a look at them. Basically, I designed this so both of these doors here will open up, or the whole front will open up for easy cleaning and easy access. And you know, here's how we do it. You just pull this latch open, and this side opens up. And as you can tell, the chickens have already christened their roosts. There's enough room there basically for 16 birds. We're not going to have that many in there, but anyway. And if you look real close, I took some linoleum or vinyl flooring and covered the bottom here and the bottom inside there, again to make it for easy cleaning. To open this side, I've just got a little screen door hook, I call it, and I just unhook that, and then this side opens up. And then here's the nesting boxes. There's 6 nesting boxes. You need, you know, it's a foot by foot by foot, or 12 inch by 12 inch by 12 inch for each chicken. More than one chicken will lay in there, so basically there's enough area there for at least 12 chickens to lay. This is my automatic feeder. It's made out of 4-inch PVC pipe. As you can see, it elbows out, goes in there, or comes to the outside, and take the top off, fill it full of chicken feed, and it self-distributes as they eat. It comes down and fills in here, you know. See how it keeps filling in, and so they can eat whenever they want to. Maybe some little vent areas, old house window. There's another vent. There's one here, and there's one there, so we should get a lot of good circulation. And this winter, what I'll do is I'll make some covers to go on that. So we'll shut up the let's shut up the front here, and I'll carry you to the back so you can see how we get to the eggs and everything every day. And you know, I painted it bright red with some white, so it kind of looks like a barn. And so let's go. Now, also, you see here the new treated 2x4s. I got tired of walking from all the way over there on the other side of the swing set. There's a gate. I'd have to walk all the way around here and all the way to get back here to the back side to where our you know, peach trees and strawberry plants and blueberry plants and all that, and beehives are just over there. So it's keeping me from having to walk so far. So I just cut into the fence here, made me a gate. It works pretty good. Saves me a few steps. So we're going to come back here to the back. Now this is the side that you've seen from the front there. Kind of decorative a little bit. Give them some, and the sun rises right in that area right there. So it's going to shine right in there and wake them up in the morning and get them ready to lay some eggs. Here's the back. Please don't mind the mess. The rain caught me yesterday, so I just piled all my tools in here. I got to get that all cleaned up. But right here, this is the nesting box. And to get access to it, you just pick these up, open up. There's the top 3 nesting boxes. Get right to the eggs. You can't see for the nesting material, but I did put a little, see the little lip right here, so that the eggs don't roll out. And then the bottom's the same way, except the door goes down instead of up. Sorry about that camera angle there. I got 2 hooks on this one. Pick them up, and then you drop that down, and there you go. Now these are fake eggs. These are just like, I think they're porcelain or something like that, to get these chickens used to laying in these new nesting boxes. And actually this morning when I came out, there we go. Queenie had laid one of her giant eggs. That chicken lays the biggest eggs I've ever seen. But anyway, next, looking inside, oh, it's kind of hard to, oops, sorry about that. It's dirty and you can't see in there. But there you go, that's a little bit better shot. Come out here, we can check on them, we can peek through the vents or whatever and see. The opening, I had to make that opening as small as I could get it, but big enough for those chickens to be able to get in and out of there easy. Why? Because of that thing right there and that thing right there. They will eat every drop of chicken feed if you let them, and it ain't good for them. So anyway, so Samson, come here. Samson, come here. He ain't paying me no mind. Usually he'll come up to you. He's pretty gentle. That one's still real skittish. We don't know about that one. But there's our 3 chickens we got right now, and we got 10 baby chicks in. And see, that right there is a whole lot better than that right there. That thing is falling apart. But anyway, and that's the house for the goats. But anyway, so there you go, everybody. There's our shipping crate chicken coop. Y'all have a great day.